For centuries, California's snowpack has worked something like drip irrigation, trickling down in predictable snowmelt to rivers, the Delta, and San Francisco Bay. But now, there's growing evidence the drip could be turning into a garden hose. Blame the recent heat wave and potentially the effects of long-term climate change. Stephen Springhorn is a supervising engineering geologist with the California Department of Water Resources.
We see these very extreme shifts from all or nothing, right? Where we have mostly dry conditions, but we have these big pulses of intense storms. And most of the time, especially this year, they've come in warm.
And experts say this year's snowpack would typically be at its peak about now. But this year, it topped off in the middle of February and began to melt. DWR is already working to gauge how much water is flowing our way, using devices known as snow pillows that essentially weigh the snowpack, and coupling data with aerial surveys and increased ground readings. But the challenge now and in the future could be how to best capture a faster snowmelt.
And I think that also puts the groundwater basins beneath our feet front and center in this future that we're going to be going into.
In recent decades, water managers have built out increasingly sophisticated systems for what's known as groundwater recharge, pumping or diverting surplus flows into areas where it can seep into vast underground aquifers and be pumped out later. Researchers have also used airborne electromagnetic sensors to pinpoint areas with the best geology, locating sites, including farm fields, that can be flooded during heavy runoff.
The storage capacity of those groundwater basins combined is 25 times the storage capacity of all of our surface reservoirs.
All of those options are on the table and need to be on the table.
Jerry Brown heads up one more alternative that's been gaining momentum after decades of debate. The site's reservoir project, which would divert flows from the Sacramento River into an above-ground reservoir. A plan, he believes, will be needed to meet the challenge of a changing climate.
The snowpack is like a reservoir for us, and if it's not going to be there any longer, we're going to need to capture some of that rain flow and put it aside.
But all of this comes at a time when California is facing historic stress. As Southern California faces cutbacks in deliveries from the drawing Colorado River, and the state struggles to put a new environmental plan in place for the Sacramento-San Joaquin Delta, ultimately San Francisco Bay. Morgan Snyder is with the nonprofit Restore the Delta and says the watershed needs steady flows to protect wildlife and fish like salmon, which thrive in the colder snowmelt.
White sturgeon, Delta smelt, all of the growing list of endangered species throughout the Delta. So that sort of cold storage is going to be really important to determine, how we can adequately ensure flows through the system.
And with farms across the state also demanding steady diversions for agriculture and cities for drinking water, California could be facing a mad scramble to share a water supply that's moving faster than ever. Drew Tuma, ABC7 Eyewitness News.